Well, what do we have here? A treasure chest? Oh, impressive. Hello YouTube friends, Alex here and welcome to another episode. Now there are a lot of methods that you can use to do this effect, but it's not as hard as a lot of you may think. And as for this episode, I'm going to show you the easier method. Alright, so the very first thing right here is you need at least 2 people to film this. Alright, so if you film alone, this may not be a very easy task for you. Now this is my first take right here. I react to the camera as someone who's expecting something to happen, you know, like impressing or something. And now I raise my hand to snap my fingers, but as I'm about to snap my fingers, my friend right there who was out of the frame will reach out to take the camera bag out of my hand and out of the frame. Alright, and just after she has done that, I then continue the snapping of my fingers. Alright, now there are critical moments that you have to take care of right here. Make sure that when the handbag is taken out of your hand, alright, which is my treasure chest in this case, when it's taken out of the frame, out of my hand should not change the position. Alright, and then my reaction should hold still and then continue. The idea is you must reduce the changes that happens in the frame before the object is taken out of the frame and after the object is taken out of the frame. And now after you've done that, import your video right into Filmora mobile. Now find the frame when you raise your hand about to snap your fingers, and then right there split the video. And then she reaches out and take out the camera back. As soon as she's out of the frame, you split again and then you delete this middle part. Alright, and now that the middle part has been removed, it now looks like this. Alright, so the last thing that you just have to do right here is to go to the effects and then look for a smoke effect. Alright, and then make some adjustment. Thank you so much for watching this short episode of today. If you like the video, share, comment. Until I meet you in the next episode. Peace. School fees money, rent money, I am struggles. I'm going to Fuji.